Working with game development using AngelScript and have AngelScript files, these contain code in this game-oriented scripting language. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these AngelScript script files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective ANG file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. An ANG file contains source code written in AngelScript, a powerful cross-platform scripting language designed for embedding in larger applications, most notably video games. Users, typically game modders or developers, create or edit these files to customize game logic, character behavior, or add new features. This is a plain text file containing C++-like syntax. The language was designed to be safe and easy to use for scripting, with features like static typing, to catch errors at compile time. The text-based format ensures it can be edited with any standard code editor, promoting accessibility for the modding community. Andreas Jonsson endorses AngelScript as the main tool for handling ANG files. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows cannot run the script instructions, so actual execution depends on a suitable engine. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your ANG file and click Open With. Test with AngelScript if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If the ANG file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since this ANG format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, editing in code editors. Open ANG files in Visual Studio Code Sublime Text or Notepad++ for script editing. While AngelScript-specific syntax highlighting may require extension installation, general C-family highlighting works adequately. Some game development IDEs provide native AngelScript support integrated with their game engine workflows. Next, running with application. ANG scripts run within applications that embed the AngelScript engine. Identify the application or game using AngelScript and place the script in the appropriate location for execution. Each application has specific conventions for script discovery and execution following its embedding implementation of AngelScript. Finally, learning AngelScript. Visit angelcode.com, the official AngelScript site for documentation tutorials and examples. The reference material explains language features and embedding procedures helpful for both script users and developers integrating AngelScript into applications. The site provides comprehensive resources for getting started with the language. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.